The thermostat for the property is located at the top of the stairs, and when you get close it will self-illuminate. So currently the temperature is set to 9 degrees. If we wish to increase this, we just turn the dial to the right and the numbers will increase, and just set it to the temperature you wish to go to. So if we set it to 22 degrees, it's then activated the heating. The boiler will come on and start heating up the radiators, and then this will turn off when the property is at that temperature. If you wish to turn down the heating, you just turn the dial to the left to your temperature that you wish for it to be set at, and then the heating will go off until the temperature drops below the temperature set. Thank you.